In front of me is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Firstly, go into Settings and hit Display and Brightness. Then tap on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to switch it on or off. If you wish to manage it faster, go into Tab menu instead and use this Auto Brightness shortcut. If it's white, that means that Auto Brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!